Round 2 is 6 increases, and an increase means placing 2 single crochets in the same stitch. So to start, we're going to take our hook and we're going to put it into the next stitch. We want to make sure we put it under both of these lines. This is both parts of the stitch. I'm tightening it, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And that was 1 single crochet. In the same spot, I'm going to do another single crochet. And that was our first increase. At the end of round 1, we had 6 single crochets, but at the end of round 2, we're going to have 12. So I'm going into the next stitch and doing another increase. So here's 1 single crochet, and then another. And I'm going to repeat that in all 6 stitches, so that 6 becomes 12. With our stitch marker, you can choose to work with it in, or you can take it out and then replace it. So I'm going to leave it in for this round. So here's 1 single crochet, oopsies, and then 2 single crochets. I'm going to take out my stitch marker and I'm going to move it to the last stitch that I just made, which goes through both loops. Next video, we'll do the next few rounds.